Hi friends, welcome to another video about the hottest subject in the world of immigration. We're going to be talking about public charge or public benefits or welfare benefits that immigrants have received and how the government has changed the rules on us or changed the rules on many people. Stay tuned, you don't want to miss this one. Hi again, friends. Thank you for watching this video and for watching other videos of mine. You guys have been amazing. You've been giving me thumbs up. You've been subscribing. That is awesome. Keep it up because we need good, smart information. And I will tell you this, I had a terrific call yesterday with a woman who is a victim of marriage fraud, and her story is heartbreaking, but she said to me, you know, Latoya, I watch your videos every day and I'm learning so much from you. So that gave me the extra motivation to get in front of this camera today to do this video for people like her. But for those of you who have nasty things to say about immigrants and even about me, stay off my channel. Because if you do comment and spew hate and racism and all sorts of ugly things against immigrants and against each other, I'm going to block you. I'm going to block you just like that at a click of a button. Stay off my channel. This is not the forum for people like you, okay? Let's dive right into it. Public charge. About maybe 10 days ago or so, the government issued the rule change to public charge. I did a longer video on this topic several weeks ago, and I'm going to put a link to it in this video. Check that one out because I go into much greater details about this change. But in this video, I want to focus on what the government has now publicly put out there for us to comment on. Okay, the government has indicated which welfare benefits are part of this change and which benefits are not part of this change. So in a nutshell, before I dive into that list of benefits, in a nutshell, the government is proposing to make immigrants inadmissible, make people inadmissible who are seeking a green card if they had received any sort of public benefits, right? Cash assistance and certain Medicaid and other benefits from the government. Those individuals will be considered a public charge. They're included in this rule change. The non-cash benefits that are included in public charge definition are the following. Medicaid, if you've received Medicaid, okay, except for those of you who may have received emergency Medicaid or other certain disability-related Medicaid services, you are not included in this. Those people were setting aside, but everyone else who have received Medicaid, you are part of this public charge definition. Or if you've received Medicare Part D, low income subsidy, others who have received food stamps, SNAP, right? Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, food stamps. Those of you who have received Section 8, Section 8 for housing to subsidize your rent, Section 8 vouchers, you will be considered public charge if you seek to apply for a green card. And those who are living in public housing, if you're in public housing, you're part of this pot as well. Okay, so just to reiterate, those individuals who have received the benefits that I've just mentioned, those are the benefits that are now under this public charge definition, okay? Medicaid, Medicare Part D, food stamps, Section 8, public housing. Now, what benefits are not part of this? What benefits are excluded from this? So if you've received these benefits now, you should not be worried because the government will not hold it against you. So for those of you who have received emergency medical assistance, for those of you who have received any sort of assistance related to a disaster, right? Head Start, foster care and adoption services. If your children have participated in any sort of national school lunch or breakfast program, those programs are excluded from this. Children who have received the child health insurance program, okay? And this is a big one. This is surprising to me. I didn't know this was in here until today. Those of you who have been recipients of Obamacare, okay? If you've received subsidized health insurance under the Affordable Care Act, you are okay. You will not be considered a public charge, okay? That's really important for you to know. Women who have received WIC, right, which is a special supplemental nutrition program for women, infants, and children. If you've received that benefit, you're not considered a public charge, okay? Others who have received other certain energy benefits and some other things, those individuals are not included in this pot of public charge. So this is a really important list. I want you to not worry if you've received WIC, if you've received Obamacare, if your children are receiving Head Start or any of those other benefits that are touching your children, okay? The government has excluded those benefits because the government realizes that immigrants have children who are born here in the U.S., so these are U.S. citizens, right, who would be impacted by this. So not to worry if you've received those benefits. There's a lot more that I want to cover because there's more to this issue of public charge. So stay tuned for future videos on this topic. Comment below with your questions. I can answer some of your questions. Please keep your comments civil again. And for those of you who have not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscriber button. And I'm going to see you in the next video, guys. Stay tuned for the next one. Bye-bye.